Secretary, as you know, there has been some contention over the development of a coastal road adaptation scheme in Newgale in my constituency, and I've been supporting the local campaign group Stand Up for Newgale, which has developed a significantly cheaper solution to the local authority's £40 million plus road realignment scheme. Now, on Monday, Pembrokeshire County Council's Cabinet voted to pause its own scheme and agreed to review the position in the next 18 to 24 months. Cabinet Secretary, it's vital that this matter isn't ignored for the next 2 years. And so can you provide any update on any discussions the Welsh Government have had with Pembrokeshire County Council on this particular issue? And will you now join me in calling for the Council to support the local community's more affordable and more environmentally sensitive proposal?
Well, can I thank the member for introducing me to that community group, Stand Up for Newgale, who did present an alternative case which is far more affordable. I know that the local authority has considered that particular alternative, and the member is right. Council took the decision to pause the scheme for the next 18 months to be able to consider other options, not just the affordability of the proposal that was on the table that they'd worked up. I haven't had an opportunity since Monday to speak with the local authority regarding this particular matter, but I will be chasing it up and having a conversation with the council leader. I'm in no doubt in the weeks to come. It is a local authority matter, but it's also a matter that can be taken up at the regional level. And I'm pleased to say that there's an indicative allocation of £24.7 million for the South West Wales region for those leaders to be able to allocate as they see fit.